Hi everyone, I am Professor Varsha Jain from Mica, India, and today I'm going to tell you what was the inspiration to write the recent book which we have launched on consumer behavior, a digital native, and how is it different from the other books which you see. So, why we wrote this book? We wrote this book because I was working, I'll tell you the background story. I was working with Professor Don Scholes at Northwestern University, and while working with him, he said that Varsha, you've written a lot of papers, and why don't you come up with a book which is going to help a lot of stakeholders, faculty, as well as the students, and try to integrate the consumer behavior along with the digital context and advertising, because that is going to help everyone to understand how it is culminating into digital context and how people are changing their behavior. So I referred to a lot of books which were there by the different scholars globally, and then I tried to figure out that how it is happening in terms of the digital context, how people are changing their behavior in the digital context. Is that specific to a particular age category or a specific geographical area? All of that. So this work started in 2015, and then we worked on IPE framework, which is the integration of all these areas together, planning it together in a proper way so that it can be culminated into a book and then executed further. So in this particular journey, it was quite intense, and a lot of instances were there where I felt that it's primarily when I was writing information processing chapter, it was quite dense because we will have to refer to the neural networks. We have to understand the functioning of the brain, and I'm not a trained doctor. I am not trained medical professional, and I don't understand brain in terms of the medical science, but we refer to the medical science as well. So to expedite the process and to simplify the process, we also discussed it with the neurophysician, neurosurgeons, and we understood how brain function and how a marketer and can understand the functioning of the brain and provide relevant stimuli to the consumers. So that was the journey. And the second inspiration, while I was working with Professor Don Shows, I also started working with Professor Jagdish Seth, and then he came and explained that how it needs to be positioned globally and how to make it very different from the other books which are there in the consumer behavior. So the first point of inspiration was about culminating the entire book, papers, all of that into a proper comprehensive book which will help the students and the other stakeholders, the industry, to understand how the digital native functions, how their behavior has changed. And then Professor Seth actually told us that it cuts across all the age group, it cuts across all the product categories across the world. So it is more like mobile phone as more friend in hand, and digital natives do not like pen and pencil. They like gadgets. They love to use digital platforms in order to acquire products and to consume the products and to dispose the products. So all the chapters that is there in the book, it talks about the digital environment, it talks about the brand advertising, and it talks about what are the different behavior changes which are there. And it also introduces different frameworks like DIP framework, which we said that it's the holistic view of the consumer behavior as digital, and how do they operate in the Indian scenario, because this book is about the Indian edition. We are also coming up with other editions which are the Chinese and the global editions. So there the examples, settings, approaches, frameworks will be contextualized to different countries which are specific to that particular book. And basically we started this particular journey, and then that's how the multitasking of the digital natives, parallel thinking, simultaneous thinking. And the good part of the digital natives primarily from India is that as we use different type of languages, we have different type of processing in the brain because they are correlated. If we use different languages, that means we are also processing the information in different ways. which means that we are multitasking. And that is how the digital natives in India are more multitasking as compared to the other countries. This is one of the recent research which was done by a scholar. Now, the other thing about the book is it also talks about the different frameworks, different examples. So it talks about share of heart and not share of wallet, because share of heart is very, very important for the digital natives in India. It talks about the framework like AUD, which is acquiring, usage, and disposal in terms of the digital networks. It talks about SEVA framework, which is about the solutions, informations, value, and access, which means that digital natives always look for solutions. They don't look for the products. They look for the information which is relevant and contextual, and they look for the value, which means that the how much value the brands are providing to those particular digital natives, and how they can get the access to that particular information which has been given to them. So that is the SEVA framework which we have introduced in the book. We can also explain this particular framework with the help of Zomato. So Zomato is basically providing you the services wherever you are, whenever you need. All the information has been provided to the digital natives. They are looking for solutions in terms of getting the right food, in terms of getting the right preference, in terms of getting the right services, and all those contextual requirements are been fulfilled by Zomato. That's how this particular framework also works with the Indian digital natives. So thus this book is inspired by the entire scenario of the digital context, how people have changed, how people have started behaving digitally, how the consumption pattern has changed, and how this change has actually affected the entire marketing approaches, frameworks, theories, and how this particular digital natives can be understood deeper. And this is also, I would also say that all my students have inspired me a lot from Micah and other places wherever I have taught, because they always keep telling me while I'm teaching in the class that, this framework doesn't work, this framework doesn't have the element of digital context, this framework is not aligned with our behavior. So through the live observations, live feedback, live research which we have done into different spaces of consumer behavior, digital context, digital advertising, we culminated all those insights, all those views from the stakeholders, which includes my colleagues, my co-authors, faculty from other institutes, all their observations together. And that's how this book is written. And it is also been the content has included the insights which are being drawn by my other co-authors, the gurus of the world, Professor Don Schultz and Professor Jagdish Seth, and they keep working into that space at different levels in different countries, across different cultures. And these insights are completely unique, and they are so novel that the whole idea is that we need to help the stakeholders. We need to understand and come up with different type of frameworks. So that's how this book is positioned into digital context, which is very live. The case studies are pretty live. The case studies are also related to the different type of frameworks that we are introducing. Examples are also very recent, which are aligned with what is happening in the current scenario, which helps the entire readers to understand and contextualize, especially how these frameworks can be used. Thank you.